Have a short video for you today. I'm changing the lighting in my workshop. If your basement, garage, or shop has these older style light fixtures and you have the older style bulbs, you're probably wasting a lot of energy. I purchased these two newer bulbs, which are actually LEDs, 40 watts, 48 inch. The great thing about these is that you could actually change your light setting. Cold white, sunshine, daylight. So I noticed in a couple of my videos when it's dark outside, now that it's getting darker a lot earlier, some of my video quality is not as good because I need better lighting. So I'm hoping these will do the trick. On the box it says 16-year life. I find that hard to believe. But what I am looking for is to save energy in the long run. My shop, my house is powered by solar panels. So something as simple as changing out your old bulbs to LEDs will make a difference in the long run. This fixture does take 3 bulbs, but I only have 2. I'm curious, by flipping the switch to daylight, will it make a difference? And I might only need the 2 bulbs. There is a way to find out, and let's get our meter. Here's my LED light meter. So let's turn it on, put it on the thousands. So we're getting a lux reading around the 920 to 921, and that's with 3 of my older bulbs. So I just want to see our distance here from the table to the light, and it's 29 inches. But that's 29 from the table, so our meter here is about a whole inch. Yep, 1 inch. So that's 4 feet from the table. So it's going to get a little dark now. I'm going to put my headlamp on. I'm going to turn this off because this is the only light source I have in the shop right now. But before I do that, let's open up our box. Straight out of the box, this is how it's packaged. And to change your settings is very simple. Right now it's set to daylight, sunshine, cold white. Just to give you a closer view, daylight is 65 Kelvin, sunshine is 5,000 Kelvin, cold white 4,000 Kelvin. But I want to go with daylight. I'm choosing daylight because when I'm in the shop, I want it as bright as possible when I'm working on something. For instance, this television here, it doesn't stay on, it powers off by itself. And this is the reason why when I'm working on projects like this and I lay it down on the table, I need as much light as possible. As you saw, I removed 3 bulbs and I replaced it with 2 of the T8 LED bulbs, and check it out. It's now reading at 940 and it jumps up around 940, 941. So with the LEDs, we're getting more light. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my own money. Reason why I made a video on this, I seen where somebody was changing out their fixtures, but you don't need to do that. The technology's here. All you have to do is purchase the bulbs. So that's all the proof I needed. Since I like the product, I'm definitely buying more. And I'll put a third one in. While we're at it, let's change the settings and see what happens. So let's switch it to sunshine. Okay. Look at the difference. It really jumped up. I thought that daylight was going to give me more light, and apparently not. Sunshine does. So it's jumping up and down, but yeah, we're in the thousands. Let's put it on cold white. Okay, cold white. It's jumping around a lot, but we're still in the thousands. Okay. Yeah, it's jumping around a lot because my fixture is still shaking from me switching the switch. So I do like the daylight look, but sunshine gives out a lot more light. As you can see, daylight is 65 Kelvin, sunshine's 5,000, and sunshine gives us a lot more light. So I can only imagine when I put the third bulb, so I'm definitely going to be buying more of these bulbs. And the bulbs ran me for the two, $20, so you could say $10 a piece, but they're going to save money in the long run, and they're actually giving more light than the older ones. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. I hope this video helps someone out there. See you on the next one.
Mommy? Mommy, why are those people looking at us?